The sneaker resale market has topped $1 billion in annual sales. There's a ton of money to be made in sneaker reselling. These days, plenty of budding entrepreneurs have joined in on the sneaker game or build a sneaker reselling business. You've probably heard the success proof in different stories. It's all over social media. Are you a reseller? How much are you making right now? Bet you it ain't $1 million. If you want to start out sneaker reselling, you have the best opportunities with our Cook Group. Our website monitors automatically calculate the profit of thousands of sneakers every single day and will post a message in our Cook Group once they find a profitable sneaker. They will save you a lot of time doing the research yourself. We have created an algorithm that shows exactly how much expected profit each pair of sneakers will make you and how many times per month it will sell. This minimizes the risk of losing your money by investing in the wrong pair of sneakers. Click the link in the video description to learn more about how you can increase your profits as a brick flipper. While earning over $1 million for reselling shoes at this stage is still possible, there are lots of obstacles you must overcome to reach that goal. The competition nowadays is fierce, and it'll take time to establish a client base as a beginner. And besides that, you also need to find out where the best places are to find and acquire the most sought-after shoes. Places where your competition is likely already very familiar. So while there may be more competition, this also means more opportunity, especially if you niche down. Before you can begin finding shoes to buy and then resell, you need to understand the market. Reselling shoes are similar to the stock market. There are pairs of shoes that don't start too hot, but eventually accumulate value later on. Conversely, some sneakers yield small profits on a pair of shoes. But if this type of flipping tends to be done on a large scale, this could accumulate the most possible profit over time. In other words, brick flips. Let us show you how it's done. Step 1. Keep an eye on the market. It's the first thing you need to learn how to resell sneakers. You must develop an eye for what is and will be in demand, and what sneakerheads will want to buy. Another thing you should know on how to resell sneakers is to know when you should hold or resell. Some sneakers gain more hype over time and therefore more resale value. Step number 2. Buy your inventory. There are two main ways you're going to be obtaining your shoes, either online or in stores near you. You can go for Air Force Ones or Adidas Ultra Boost 4.0. Step 3. Take good pictures. Something that's often overlooked when you learn how to resell sneakers is the quality of your pictures. High-quality pictures can make or break your sneaker reselling listing. First, it adds legitimacy to your business. Blurry or even no pictures makes your listing look more like a scam. A better picture of your product is a small thing that could take your sneaker reselling game to a whole other level. Step 4. Choose a reselling platform. But today, there are numerous avenues you can take for selling your shoes. You can choose a consignment shop like Flight Club. Other options include bid ask and auction sites like StockX, Go, or Kixify Marketplace, which allows fixed price or auction sales. Step 5. Create your listing. If you'll be using eBay, StockX, or Kixify, it's all about the listing. First, upload those premium pictures you took. Add all relevant information, size, brand, colorway details, and offer any other pertinent information. Another important aspect, choose a fixed price or auction sale. With the fixed price sale, you set an asking price. Buyers can't offer below that price. With an auction, your shoes will go to the highest bidder. And step 6, start making crazy cash money. Reselling shoes is a fun way to make money on the side, if not as a full-time income, regardless of your age. You don't want to start in this kind of business too naive to the process. Without a mentor, your chances of losing money and wasting time are higher since you're competing with experts. You could join a Cook Group. They typically provide you with a lot of useful information to help you determine when is the best time to resell. If you become a member of BrickRadar, figuring out which sneakers are good brick flips can be very easy, as you always get notified when to buy which shoe and when it is the right time to sell for maximum profits. Click the link in the video description to learn more about BrickRadar. With BrickRadar, you can actually start making money today if you're looking for a great tool that's going to help you in your journey on reselling shoes, or if you're just looking for the tools to help you get started in the reselling game. Honestly, you've come to the right place, so hopefully this is everything you needed to hear to get started with your sneaker reselling career. Go ahead and sign up today to start making profits.